CJS Studios. It started with the desire to create my own game. This led to coding, which then led to graphics and animation, storytelling, digital sound, and music. The journey of teaching myself began. Organization is the key. CJS Studios is organized into several categories: videos for tutorials, intros, promos, and short films; photos, sharing my view of the perfect moment; graphics, digital art creations; apps, an interactive window to the soul of my passion, available on Android; devlog, my creative writing outlet. It is difficult to master one field. I want to master as many as I can. Save the Farm was one of my first published apps. The success was all the graphics are hand-drawn. I am a terrible artist, but I am proud of how this creation turned out. Planet Protector is my biggest project. It is a resource mining action simulator. My success was integrating 3D models into 2 dimensions. Also, creating tasks and goals with visual cues. Angel Drop is the last project I was working on with the Game Maker engine. My success was creating a world with boundaries outside the screen, and having the camera follow the player as you flew from cloud to cloud, collecting souls to take back to heaven before falling to a certain doom. Nubbles is an air hockey Pong game designed for 2 players using a tablet. Next are some of my earlier projects. This is an AI life simulator that auto-plays, creating entities with stats and needs, which seek out fire, food, water, and temples. There are many unforeseen challenges when creating games and apps, like getting a cannon to animate when it shoots and bombs to explode on impact, or creating a turret that follows the pointer along its axis. Simple things like walking through shadows, which is an illusion, and making zombies just smart enough to walk around trees. Raz Jazz is a fast-paced, jewel-tapping, point-collecting strategy game that was published but suppressed until it can be converted and ported to a different engine. I invested hundreds of dollars and thousands of hours into an engine which I enjoyed, and when 64-bit became a requirement, the company abandoned it as obsolete. I then adopted a new engine and began learning C# with the Unity engine. For practice, I created an interactive novel. You create an avatar that will exist in multiple stories. The core template is finished with page turning and the ability to make choices. Writing the novel is another challenge all in itself. I am exploring the ability to integrate cryptocurrency into future apps. This diverted me to create a currency converter that can update values within the app. Lastly, I was successful in fully rewriting Clairvoyance Test 2 in Unity. I hope everyone gets to enjoy my artistic expression as much as I enjoyed creating it. This is only the beginning. Surprises are always just around the corner.